Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Red color, green color, sky blue color, yellow color, brown color, black color, pink color, purple color, green color, dark blue color and orange color. A for apple. B for book. C for car. D for dot. E for elephant. F for face. G for goat. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for piano. Q for question mark. R for rose. S for sip. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for water. X for x-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Let's learn number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's learn some shape. Pentagon, circle, square, triangle, rhombus, semicircle, pentagon, circle, square, triangle, rhombus, semicircle, pentagon, circle, square, triangle, rhombus, semicircle.